back. So today I've come down to the Pandora Inn, which is near Flushing. And the reason I came down here is I wanted to have a chat about how much I just miss meeting up with people and going to the pub on a whim, you know, just literally walking into the pub for one beer, and then every time that you try to leave, somebody else comes in that you know, and you end up just staying all night. Yeah, so the Pandora Inn, normally, whenever the sun's out, it's normally absolutely packed. And at the moment, obviously with lockdown and everything, it's not. There's pretty much nobody here, a couple of people walking their dogs. But when you head down here, if you drive, the car park's quite small, so a lot of people come in on their boats and they end up just sort of mooring up next to the pontoon there. And to be honest, I think the thing that's got me all sort of nostalgic today and actually thinking about, you know, how much I wish I could just go to the pub, see my friends and have a good time, is that I was actually looking over some old videos of back in the day when, you know, me and some friends used to just jump on his boat and we used to come here to the Pandora for a couple of beers, and we used to come via boat. And then I started to look at other footage as well. It was all on my phone, and how important it is just to sort of record your memories. You know, pictures are fantastic for doing that, but I really believe that sort of video tends to be the best way to sort of really capture the moment and really capture your memories. So I'll throw up some of this old footage that I found now for you to have a look at. Here it is. Oh, and just for the record, it wasn't actually like filmed on an old video camera. I just made it look like that. That's all it was. Let's go. So I think that's pretty much all there is to see at the moment at the Pandora. So we're going to head to Flushing. Flushing, today of all days, is a ghost town. So I guess all I'm trying to say is that the freedom to be able to just go out and do what we want has been taken, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it's not going to come back. And it just makes me wonder how long it's going to take for things to go back to a certain level of normalness. You know, I mean, the pubs were open in the summer, but obviously you had to book a table, and it just kind of completely, for me anyway, got rid of that atmosphere of the whole point of going to the pub. It just makes me wonder how long it's going to take for that to come back. Apologies if this video was boring today. I do apologise. You know, tune in next time where, you know, we should be able to do some more fun things like snorkeling or surfing or something. So stick around for that one. One last thing. That's about it today. I've been sitting on this old footage of Crantock Beach for ages, some drone shots and everything. And do you remember last year when I used to do beach reviews? Well, if you'd like to see a beach review, say yes beach review in the comments. If you don't want to see a beach review, say no beach review in the comments. And I'll see you in the next one.